gel blaster. Mag out. We don't need to take that off. Do we need to take that off? No. Alright mate, so basically there's a pin there, and let's get rid of this. Hang on, we'll take this off so we can get closer. This is the hopper. This is what we use in Australia. It's pretty much just the hollow. It's a little bit of a ramp, and yeah, not too bad. Barrel, my dodgy barrel stabilizer, which is made out of a soft drink lid. Does the trick. 7.3mm ID barrel. Now it's on. See if we can get a red dot. You can just see it. Alright, stop fucking around. Inside your buffer tube, I'll get some light. Hang on. This isn't pretty down inside there, which is impossible to see. There's a little bolt, screw, Phillips, Allen head. Yeah, unscrew it. Takes forever because it screws into the spring retainer. You may have a quick change one, so it may be different. I didn't actually look up your airsoft rifle, which I'm assuming it is. Battery cable comes off. Alright. Mag. Our mags have a motor inside, spins the wheel at the bottom and feeds the gels up through the feed tube. I'll take this off anyway. Put it in there so we can't see the laser. Cover it up so it goes off. Alright. This one has a pin there and a pin there. It's pretty much just the standard V2 gearbox, copied from Airsoft. We'll just poke them out. They're going to fall down. They're not hard to find, so don't worry about losing them. Charging handle. Pull it up. It should slide right off. There's the upper receiver and the handguard. T-piece. You can probably figure out all this on your own. Next, take the motor out. I think you have motor. I think it's the same, yeah. Just hold down with your thumb though, otherwise it might pop up and you don't want to cross-thread anything. pull the wires off. They should be colour coordinated, so you're not going to go wrong there. Pull the wires off. Jiggle the motor out. However you do that, it can be a little bit difficult. Let me get there. Motor's out. Inside are 2 more screws that you undo. Don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there we go. 1 and 2. The other one. And just pull it out. Take the wires out. Alright, next up, that's pretty much what we're left with. We'll have to unscrew this, and we will have to unscrew this. And I need the Allen keys. Yours might be different because these are aftermarket things. Do we need to take that off? No, we don't even need to take it off. We do need to take the mag release off. So we'll unscrew that. It's a pain in the ass to get this one on. Then we'll unscrew that. It'll probably come flying off if you don't hold it down. Then we'll just pull it out. Trigger pin. It can only push out one way. Make sure you don't push the cross-hatched end out, otherwise, through I mean, otherwise it'll make the hole a little bit bigger. That does not get pushed through that end. That's basically it, mate. And take her out. This one's a little bit harder because of the selector switch. I don't even know where it is. I'm going to have to jiggle it a bit to get it out. There we go. There we go. What was that? Fake bolt. Release. Yeah, comes out. Pretty simple. You're left with that. Pretty much unscrew them all. I don't have all of mine in here because I'm just waiting on some metal gears to arrive. So I've only got like 3 screws in here. Like, I don't know, 7 or so, I guess. What have we got? Before I forget. I have to take my spring out. Spring. Osgel 1.18. Better than M90. 100% increased my FPS. I was using an M90 and a green O-ring as the only mods. I couldn't get above 250 FPS and 18 rounds per second, and that's on 11.1 volt, and chucked in the Osgel 1.18, and I was averaging 290 FPS. I think that is all I've got in there. Yeah, I had bugger all in there because I had them out anyway, like I said, waiting for Metal Gears. That's basically it. When you take it apart, it's pretty easy. It just pulls apart. There's not much that can go wrong. I don't even think I've got gears in here at the moment though. You will have gears. They may pop around. They are easy to get back in. Don't freak. Honestly, the trigger's much harder than putting the gears back. That is what it will look like, so yeah, usually the gears go here, but yeah, mine aren't in there. Waiting on the Metal Gears, because I already have the piston and ladder. Yeah, basically, I don't really want to do it. You just pull it out. There's a little spring behind there. Like, there's nothing that can go wrong. It's so easy. Slips. Yeah, I was having that problem. There. I have to make the top higher. Well, that sucks. But anyway, yeah, that's basically it, mate. It is really not hard at all. And that just fucked me up because I broke. That just came off. Shitty fucking soldering job they did from the factory. Oh well. Bob's your uncle.